Mohammed Akhtar, sir. She is Mohammed Akhtar. Only of
Wait, camera person, Junnilal. Here, is this development, man? Is this development?
Because the last night is raining. That's why this is it.
Look there, is this development?
No.
Old media. This is
I am promoting both of them. I'm listening
man,
both
she
of
is
them.
talking about yourself. Of course.
When you
कैसे हो जाऊं तेरी मोहब्बत में पनाह, कैसे हो जाऊं तेरी मोहब्बत में पनाह, हमने मांगा नौकरी तूने दे दिया नमक तेल और चना।
Excuse me, everybody. Are you ready? Yes, dear viewers, I would like to talk to them as well. Excuse me, why have you come, guys?
We have come to discuss about the problems.
Problems you have come here?
Yes.
You have problems?
Yes.
Well, dear viewers, it is not quite serious. This is just kind of, practical. For the trainees of will talk institute, say that they can speak outside. We have come on the road. We are going to talk about so many things. We have two parties. We have two teams here today. One that is Ukta Bharat and one that is United India. Ladies and gentlemen, here we are not having a party, but we are supporters. We are not having a party, but we are supporters. Like we are a common public. We will talk about the development of this country. We will talk about the development of this Uttar Pradesh. Please come and see here. Excuse me, guys. From which party are you?
yes, United.
United India.
India.
That's very nice. Should we start, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here you guys are standing here in this burning hot. I know you are looking the struggle. I know that you are facing some problems, and that is why you have come here. Applying so many creams and perfumes. I would like to ask you that. Why are you standing here, ladies and gentlemen? You are promoting your party here.
Yes, sir.
But more than that, I actually got one call. Excuse me. Cameraman, Junnilal, please focus. Where is cameraman? Yes, Junnilal, please focus here. I actually got one call from municipal corporation that you people are protesting just because you are not getting facilities. And some people are from United India and some people are from Ukta India. May I know please how many people are here from Ukta India? Ukta Bharat, yes. Ukta Bharat. United India. That's fine, that's fine. Okay, which is ruling party? United India or Ukta? United India. What is good thing in United India, ma'am?
I am standing here at the whole day night, right? That is the achievement of India.
Ma'am, I would like to ask you that you're from United India, right?
Yes.
And your party is ruling party as well.
Yes,
What would you like to say? Like, is everything okay in Uttar Pradesh?
Yes, everything is okay in Uttar Pradesh, and I am standing here, and these girls is also standing here at the broad daylight. This is the achievement of our India.
Oh my God. So it means that...
Night also.
No, it's not about night or day, but she's standing here. This is the beauty. You can see the women empowerment here. Excuse me, guys. Why are you then protesting? If everything is okay, then why are you protesting here? Excuse me,
Sir, nothing is okay, and we were also standing before some time, before they were ruling. At the time also standing, and at that time we were nicely, because without any fraternity, people were standing. But right now they are protesting. Even
What
we
is the
don't
actually problem, sir? Why are you here? You should study. You should...
because we are not getting a better facility from the government.
Sir, you are not in Walima, sir. Why do you want facility?
I want facility because we are poor man from the Ukta India.
Oh my God, cameraman. But he's trying to say that we have so many problems after getting so much education. Sir, can you please tell one problem that you are facing here?
Sir, we are facing lot of problems, but I am very concerning about women insecurity.
Oh my God, women insecurity. She was trying to say that we are secure here. What about Momita? Oh my God, so many rape cases are increasing. Shame, 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 shame.
Latest incident happened in West
She's
Bengal.
supporting ruling party. So how we can about?
Oh my God. You are from ruling party, right? So Momita case is occurring. You're happy with this? Oh my God. Oh my God.
Sir, more than 90 women every day they are raped, and
When Nambika case is happened, these people not come there. Why?
Oh my God. Why did you not come there?
We were.
Yes,
Yes, we were.
So this is not only about Momita case. So per day 83, 86 girls
So
raped.
this is the failure of ruling party, right? Yes. Oh my God. Don't touch me, sir.
That's why we are protesting here, sir. What
Oh my
about
God,
safety of women?
No, really, whole India asks here. Whole India asks here that, here every the cases are increasing in India. I would like to ask here, this party, do you really think that problems are occurring in Uttar Pradesh and India?
Yes, of course, sir. Definitely.
Can you name one problem?
Sir, I talk about infrastructure. If I can reach that place that take 15 minutes. So we have faces a lot of traffic. So I can you say that you faces lot of our government provide metro, our government provide highways. In your government they have no any facilities. Right now metro is available in Kapurthala.
Where is metro? I want to see. Where is metro? Where is metro? Now, please. Oh my God! Oh my God! Look this! This is so dirty. It is so broken here. Look, cameraman, please look here. Is this development, man? Is this development?
Because the last night is raining. That's why this is it.
Look there. Is this development? You.
That is the development, sir. That is the development.
Is that development, man?
Less than on the road. There are many.
Why you don't see less of a smooth road? Why don't you see this kind of thing?
Wait. I would like to focus. Cameraman. Okay, wait. Ruling party is saying Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Swachh Bharat. Where is Swachhata? Where is Swachhata? I would like to ask.
Sir, Swachhata comes when people are aware about, when people stop their activities from doing, from
First, government should aware about Swachhata Bharat.
So they are doing that.
we are every day a car, a van came and yes, that I am
It's also clean the every day.
we are
Yeah, actually, listen. No, wait. This.
On the road, there are many.
Wait. Excuse me. Let me get it. Okay, whole India is watching us. Actually, here, ruling party was saying that this is the responsibility of common India. Yes, dear viewers, you are from India, clean India. Swachh Bharat is very important. But some of the people are saying that no, India is not clean because people are throwing garbages on the road. This is really not good. So, from opposition party, do you really think that India is not cleaned?
of course, sir, where we should throw? Like people are eating biscuit or anything, there is no dustbin. Where should we throw?
Oh my God,
So
yes.
that's why people, if you are just running the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, so you should provide the facility. Of course.
dustbin is there, but we have. I will show you. There is a dustbin box, and we have to be aware about that. Where we
The dustbin is there, but they are not coming to take the garbage.
Wait. Cameraman, please focus me. You can see here, useless tap is there. You be there, guys. I'm coming. Wait, I'm coming. You can see here, guys, useless tap is here. What is the use of this? You can see there is no water. What is happening here? Oh, this is useless. So this is, and people are saying that there's a development. Where's the development? I would like to ask. Hello, uncle. रुक जाइए. क्या नाम है आपका?
मोहम्मद लाइक
नहीं, क्या कर रहे हैं आप? कबाड़. ओ, एकदम खुश हैं?
हाँ,
तो आपका वो गुजर बसर चल जाता है इससे?
आराम से
एकदम खुशी से हैं? वेरी नाइस. ओके, सो अंकल इज सेइंग. तो अंकल इज No. Everybody is happy in this country.
See, animals are eating in the garbage.
Oh
and
my God.
There is no dustbin.
No, wait. Let's come here.
Dustbin is go there. Look at
Look, yes. Wait. Let us come back. Excuse me, sir. You are looking so handsome and smart.
Thank you, sir.
So why are you protesting here?
No, I am not protesting here.
Why have you come here?
So I have come here because I have heard that some people are protesting here against the ruling party.
They're defaming you.
Yes, sir.
Oh my goodness. Please, camera person, come here. You guys are protesting here? Yes, sir. What is the reason? May I know, please?
Actually, if I talk about my brother, and he has just qualified. If you talk about my brother,
Oh my, what is this?
it's a cigarette, sir.
Oh,
Sorry for that.
Excuse me, he is smoking here?
No, sir. Actually, my brother and he is qualified and he got job. But after that, they were asking 5 lakh rupees. So if you are respecting his skills, so why are you asking money after that? So you should give and you should provide job.
That's the problem.
Who is asking money for you?
You don't. That's what I'm telling to you.
Have
you are ruling party.
have you reported anywhere? Have you reported in police station that they are asking money?
Everybody just.
Someone is asking
Everyone
for money.
corruption.
If someone is asking for money, go and report first.
If I
Because
go in
if-
police station, they are also asking money.
After that
If
we
I
will
go
take care of
anywhere.
That's the
What
problem.
about
That's the
cylinder
problem.
price? Sir, what about cylinder price? When the election comes, they say
Oh, right now, yeah, the price of cylinder has
only
increased.
600. But when election goes, this the price of cylinder
Increases.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a problem.
Before some days, the cylinder price has decreased. Right now, it is. Right now, it is.
You guys are shouting, wait sir. You guys are students or what? You guys are protesting. Protest should be in peace, right? This is the dialogue of Gandhi ji. Protest should be in peace. Dear viewers, come on. The matter is very sensitive. I'd like to ask some girls as well. Hello, what's your name, ma'am?
Sir, Anjali Saroj.
You're sad or happy?
I'm happy. I'm
Well,
ruling party.
you're from ruling party.
Yes, sir.
You are promoting ruling party.
Yes, sir.
What is the name of your party?
Sir, United India.
United India. So please tell me that one of the best thing that United India is doing.
Sir, our ruling party is promoting brotherhood. We live in the peace together. All religion people living in a peace, and this is the beauty of our party.
That's very nice. So earlier when Ukta Bharat was ruling, what do you think that were the people happy or not?
Sir, people were not happy. People were fighting religion, casteist people were fighting against among themselves, and they are also still they are provoking people to fight.
That's very nice.
They are
So here, Miss Anjali, she has nicely mentioned that in this government, this United India is really doing well because everybody's happy. There is no discrimination. Earlier, before 10 or 15 years, there used to be discrimination. Thank you very much for watching this video. This was me, Kaf, signing before all of you, talking about these problems at Kapurgala Chowraha. Do subscribe to this channel. I was here talking about with cameraman Junni Lal. Well, talk.
Hello everyone, namaste, assalamu alaikum. Today I am present in Kapurthala and I am here to see the people are protesting against the United India and Ukta Bharat. People are protesting among themselves. I am going to talk to them what are their points to their parties. So, ma'am, you are promoting what you are promoting?
I am promoting United India.
Why are you promoting this?
Because our government so many things started like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao Abhiyan, Sukanya Yojana and Ujjwala Yojana and so many things like our Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, so many and every day girls molest. Our government should take a step.
Yes.
So that's why I am supported United States. I am supporting United
So,
States.
ma'am, do you feel in your government you are a ruling party, girls are safe?
Yes, girls are safe,
Show me
ma'am.
the example how our girls are safe in your party.
Every girls here because we are feel safe. That's why I am came here for another state to Lucknow. You saw.
Beauty of women empowerment.
This is the beauty of women empowerment.
Yeah, exactly.
So, sir, you are in a favor of Ukta Bharat. So,
Yes, of course.
What are your points in your party?
My point is that a lot of employment. Everybody graduate, but they didn't have employment, have any kind of job. If somebody goes to any kind of company, any kind of to take employment, but they asking a bribe So what is the position?
Oh my God, they're asking bribe. Corruption
Yes,
is there.
yes, corruption is there.
Sir, government are not providing employment because we the people have a lack in skill. What about the what would you say?
Actually, skilled people applied there, not unskilled people applied there.
Sir, we are lacking in skill. That's why they are employed. Government are providing.
If
So I would like to talk another people, ma'am.
Yes, I am promoting
First of all, what is your name, ma'am?
Yashi Dwivedi.
So what are your views on your ruling party?
So, our party is providing many yojnas and as well as benefits, and also working on rural areas, as the big achievement is the digitalization.
Okay.
Everywhere is, if you go anywhere you have not money, you can pay. If you कहीं everywhere you फंस गई तो you can use phone pay, digital pay.
Sir, is she saying right?
She is not right. She is not right because
Finance, ma'am, you don't have knowledge. Finance minister has started GST on your 2,000 rupees UPI. Do you have knowledge about that? You are only talking about digital India. What about poor people, ma'am? What about poor people?
If you capable to pay the if you are capable to pay the GST, so what is the
Ma'am,
bad?
I'm earning only 2,000 rupees per month. If I pay the tax to the country, then how can I survive, ma'am? You don't know. No. I'm sorry, ma'am. Ma'am,
If you're talking about tax, then you should
5,000, 2 lakh rupees. After that, you have no GST. But if you,
Ma'am, I don't know. I think you have got funding from the government. That's why you are supporting, actually, right? She has got funding.
If I want to buy some cold drink, so the tax over there.
Oh my God,
the
yes.
bottle, on the one
Everywhere.
bottle, if I want to
So,
buy a-
ma'am, you are a reporter, right?
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, please raise our. You are sold media. You have sold media.
No, sir, no. Sir, I'm here to represent both of them. I'm not Godi Media. No.
Sold media. This is
I am promoting both of them. I'm listening
Ma'am,
both
she
of
is
them,
talking
sir.
about digital.
Sir, government give the GST like a tax because of they started so many schemes. That's why they give the like a tax for a poor people development.
Ma'am, I want to ask you. You said I work in rural area and urban area also. What do you think this area about? This area is rural or urban?
This area is absolutely urban. Yeah.
You can see the situation of this urban area. This you can see all of there. Here is garbages and
Sir, because of last night heavily
area.
Sir, because of last
about that
night
area?
heavily rain. That's why the condition is this. All time.
It's my party. It's my party who provide Ayushman Card Yojana. It's my party who provide Bharat Ujjwala Yojana. It's my party who provide them Vidya Pension Yojana. What about that? You are only talking about the lessness.
Ma'am, what do you like to say to them? They are saying that they are providing so much. They were providing so much facilities to people. What are your views in your ruling party about them?
My views is that ruling party also provided the many types of skills, like as what about clean and green India. A few years ago there was no any type of clean and green India. In this time it's increased the 25% of clean and green India. Every day van came and they provided the also dustbin. Home to home, door to door.
But ma'am, we did not see the green India here. Where are green India, clean India? We didn't see.
Everywhere. You can see everywhere greenery. You can see over there. How can you say? That is why you say.
Sir, what are you? What happened, sir? What happened? Sir, what happened? What happened, sir?
I'm not getting any job. They are not doing anything. I have completed PhD. I know everything. I have skills, but I'm not getting any job. What are they doing? What the hell is running in
You
this
have
country?
only fake certificate. If you have get skill, you permanently get job.
Wait, we have no fake certificate. We have no fake.
You show you're skilled. You show you're skilled. You can any company get hired. you.
Excuse me, I'm speaking English. I have skill. This I can teach anywhere, but you are not giving, man.
Any rural areas, why can you speak English? This doesn't matter. English is a language, not. I'm talking about skill. I'm talking about skill.
Yes, knowledge is much important than English. If you have a knowledge, you can easily get it.
You should
Why did you?
come in my institute. You should come in my institute.
Sir,
I
sir,
provide
you
you
have
job.
done
You are
PhD.
capable. I provide you job.
Sir, you have done PhD.
If you are capable, I provide you job. You come in my institute. You have a you show our certificate. You show our
Only make cock
certificate.
and bull
You
story,
have only
doesn't it?
yeah.
Only make
you have
cock and
only
bull story.
certificate. And now you are smiling.
And now you are smiling because you are faking here.
Sir, 1 minute, sir. Sir, you are mentioned that because of our government, you have a jobless. But our government is started the Kushal Yojana.
Okay, fine.
Kushal Yojana.
Well, everybody, this is just only activity. Please do not mind any word or sentences. Guys, other people should involve. What about these people? They are just standing there. They also should say something, everybody. Right? And talk actually. Excuse me, sir. What's your name, sir?
My name is Abi Waqas.
His name is Abi Waqas. Abi Waqas, you have come here for what?
Yes, I am. I want to raise about the safety.
Safety.
Yeah.
Okay.
They are so safe कि बेटी बचाओ and बेटी पढ़ाओ. But each and every year 36,000 women are raped. What of the बेटी बचाओ and बेटी पढ़ाओ?
Shame on you.
Wait. Excuse me. No.
Decreases the case, decreases the quantity of the raped. 80% women suffered from this, and now it's what's the percentage?
Earlier, they were not reported.
But this because every work is not
Reported. That's why we are.
Is it decreases?
This point, just I want to.
Is it decreases?
Ma'am.
Of course.
When you
कैसे हो जाऊं तेरी मोहब्बत में पनाह, कैसे हो जाऊं तेरी मोहब्बत में पनाह, हमने मांगा नौकरी तूने दे दिया नमक तेल और चना.
Oh my God. What's your name, sir? What's your name,
This is me, Akash. I am Berojgar Yuva.
Oh my God.
Yes, sir.
So what is this actually?
Sir, I am a student.
Okay,
And
student of?
I am also.
Well talk institute. So why are you protesting here? You are saying
Because sir,
that.
I don't have job.
Oh my
I am
God.
completed
What is-
master
what-
degree.
What is your degree, sir? Show me, please.
Sir,
what is this? What is this?
What is your degree?
yes, master degree.
Master degree.
Yes, sir.
What master degree?
Geography, in geography.
What is the spelling of geography?
What is the spelling of
What is spelling
in
of
geography.
Spelling.
Don't matter spelling.
No. You spell. Spelling of geography.
Sir, yes, sir. G, please.
Spelling.
Listen, let me. I am clear.
If you are knowledgeable,
I am knowledgeable. Please.
Spelling of geography.
G.
Ma'am, you tell.
GEO
I know, sir.
You know?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the full form of MA?
Woman?
MA. You have done.
Master degree, sir. Master of art.
Master of what?
This is the only fake degree.
Please, ma'am, don't.
Check our degree. Yeah. That's why you are trying to fly. You trying to flat me. You trying to
Oh, no, 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 no.
Don't talk to me.
No, he's not. No, he's not. Sir, she's trying to slap me. Oh my God, she's trying to slap me.
Wait.
You have to
You have to respect.
Oh my God. Please look at him. He slapped me. He wants to
Over actor, sir. She is over actor. Only.
Wait. Camera person, Chulila.